If you pass the class, you get another diploma for your wall. Hello.
These lights don't work.
I don't think so.
Mari?
Hey, you're right, Rob.
Say something. Mari?
Why did it take you so long to get here? Because
oh, that's cute. Davion.
I thought maybe we're weirdos. And then
You all are so funny.
And I realized we hung out so much because
Mari?
we have a great time together. Who cares what anyone else thinks?
Are y'all going to dance or something? Okay. Let's go dance. Okay, Davion's going to dance first.
I'm going to
Give me your best shot, bud.
I'm going to let's do it on you do. Oh no. Okay. Here's an idea for the future. Listen to you. Listen to yourself.
Okay, Mari's turn. Here you go, Mari. Go, Mari. Woo! Okay, what you gonna shake?
What?
You gotta shake. There you go. Alright, Dante, give me your shot.
Dante!
Give me your best move, buddy, your best move. Good job.